Alright, this is my best friend's 486. It's actually an AMD K5 PR75, Pentium rated 75. Let me give it a start up. Let me turn the power here. Yes, I have the speakers plugged in. My KVM decided to come on. Yeah, 64 megs of RAM. I don't think I need this light anymore. He wanted it to run MS-DOS 6.22 to be accurate. It has a little cheapy Sound Blaster 16, Vibra, whatever name you want to call it. IMM kind of takes a while to test memory. The driver from the Windows 98 CD. Good old Linksys adapter for networking. Probably never gonna use anything better. Yeah, it's connected to 10 base T on my good old school hub I dug up at the thrift store. Alright. All this little stuff, he has that much memory. Well, a few games that won't run on that, but for the most part it's good for things like Raptor or Wolfenstein. But here's what he wanted. Yep. I have no idea why it does that. Why did they do ta-da? They had much better noises back then. There we go. Good. Everyone remembers Nice Program Manager. Ugh. Oh, well, it works for him. Got all the old school games right here. Everyone remembers that. It's all the little MS-DOS applications it found. He has a 10 gig drive that amazingly enough worked with this machine. Most of them will choke on anything larger than 8 gigs. But I have it cut up into 5 different little partitions here. Obviously all the programs in boot on C, games on D, and I'll let him play around with E. That's kind of blank at the moment. F has a lot of stuff meant for restoration, and E is his optical drive. Eventually I think he might want to put a 5 1/4 floppy in here for the sake of old school times, but meh, that's up to him. Yes, this is his 486. I mean, get it out of Windows here. It's very easy to operate a mouse while you're looking through the camera. Okay, it's not returning me to a prompt.